Welcome to the Ascension Network. In this guided meditation, we will journey deep into the energy of the heart chakra, the sacred center of love, compassion, and connection. The heart chakra, or anahata, is the bridge between the lower and higher chakras, integrating and balancing the energy flow within. Its element is air, vast and life-sustaining, inviting us to expand beyond the physical and embrace the boundless energy of love. When our heart chakra is open, we radiate love, empathy, and compassion, feeling connected to ourselves, others, and the universe. However, when blocked, we may struggle with lack of forgiveness, resentment, or emotional wounds. This meditation will help you release any blockages, activate your heart center, and restore balance, allowing love to flow freely through you. Find a comfortable position, relax, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth slowly. Do this a few more times, feeling the breath, the energy of air filling your lungs, expanding your heart space. As you exhale, let go of any tension, any heaviness that does not serve you. With each inhale, draw in pure, healing energy. Set the intention that this is exactly what you are doing each time you inhale, filling your heart space with warmth and more light. And equally set the intention that with each exhale, you are releasing anything blocking your ability to love freely. Now visualize a vibrant emerald green light glowing at the center of your chest. This is the energy of your heart chakra. With each breath, see this light expanding, growing brighter, enveloping you in a cocoon of total and complete unconditional love. Feel the energy of air swirling around you, gentle yet powerful, lifting you higher into the vibration and frequency of love. Allow this energy to move through your entire being, dissolving any resistance, softening any barriers around your heart. Now, repeat these affirmations, either aloud or in your mind. I am love. My heart is open to receive love. I radiate the energy and frequency of love. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I release all that no longer serves my heart. Love flows freely to me and through me. Feel these words resonating within your being, anchoring deeply into your heart chakra, shifting your energy into a pure state of love and harmony. I will now channel light language to support the heart chakra in bringing in more of the frequency of love and clearing and activating the heart chakra. So with this, I ask you to listen from your heart and receive from your heart. Shantian diondomoni kutiaisi tiaiti tui. Okitiatom patia. Sinyamantia katia. Lunti asti titiai amati. Utidi. Lata katidun tiamati tiampaya. Sunti en diamani katadun Pupupudiski katitiam patatitiyai Sunyandai Ukututuyamanatia Nanya katutunan nornanyan Nanuan Nai tudutinu nai kadai katudunya mana Hai shandaisha aditya Atitututyata shantya Naniman yunan nuanya Ninai katian nina Nonyarnya Nunyanyar tututui shantya imagine your heart space fully activated now, spinning in perfect balance, in perfect harmony. A soft, warm breeze flows around you, carrying away any remaining doubts or wounds. In this moment, you are pure love. You are compassion. You are divine light. As you breathe deeply, set the intention to carry this energy and frequency of pure love with you throughout your day, allowing it to guide your words, actions, choices, and interactions. The more you open your heart, the more love you will experience in all forms throughout your day. Now, gently bring awareness back to your body, feeling grounded, peaceful, and radiant. Take a deep breath. Take another deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself, to this moment, and to the infinite love that always surrounds you. Thank you for joining this heart-centered meditation on the Heart Chakra, on the Ascension Network. If this session resonates with you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more guided meditations and spiritual awakenings. May your heart always remain open, filled with love, light, and joy. Have a beautiful, love-filled, light-filled day. Namaste.